Also, just the yeah, that thing on the madras, the Tachidan Kesson on the that you Nimapajan on the she's to Spartans or Nima she's in the Karishan of Winbana. The introduction of trigonometry. The introduction of trigonometry, what we learned from that topic, we learned about the 6 different trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratio on the 2 complementary angles on the inverse complementary angles to the identities. That is how much now here is an application. Applications of trigonometry means we are going to find the height and the distance. At the beginning of the chapter, as I said that to use of trigonometric identities, application to find the height, draw and distance. So on the height and distance pen to your sons and introduction the genre. The introduction is now and this application is not difficult. Application is big keywords. See, answer right the most important thing is read the question very carefully and try to get the proper figure. So, so the Kessan go to Dinala, top on chicken now, Mambushama, the Trinity Nashing Ryan, Cashes, the digging now to culture, and chick hands and to exact on some Tanshina. Digging now to catch a sheet, you continue, but 4 marks. In the chicken application of 4 marks continue, but Chesa cannot trigonometry basic cannot the chance you already learned about the basic informations about the trigonometry. The thing on the application, specific the 5 degrees digging because the value the and the parallel inverse to the complementary angles to the parallel. The application de lalo yore. Ta kesho di now application in now Tamo didn't see question. It's in the Tamo Hawaj. Tamo want to make the Kawata in Banate, that's the line of sight. This line is called a line of sight. Chita was a line lagato signal a line definition line leisure, they are breathlessness list. Then a dig line took me by the collision to Doya, two leisure, Shangashin Jura. You know what to do stuff in Banatajo, take me over them. Right, in a one color line, descend your just a man to get Tawaki, Kawatagi and Tassa, patient a duxa, get low to the tower in Bana, Negi. Observe the Arwa, Neg observe me the lower thousand of low time, Neg parala. Teach you to Negi the Telatana, Neg me down, Tevi para. Anzugirwa, Damaka Motashatana, Neg, Kantani, Kawatasa lines, they want to line of sight. You think Yamayamuchi goes to a ship. Teach you another line of sight to go Mason and Nova Suirwa. She sounds Parana Tamodela. Line of sight, 6 to Tamako Soji. The line of sight, Lagato was Takesi Negua, near Dustaning, a couple of tower, line of sight, the Kashas at Dinarola. Horizontal line, the Chaswa. Horizontal line, those patterns, Shimbana. The line of sight, the Kasha, the horizontal line, Wadi, near Kapu Yode. Tang a tight, they got a count 2,000. Yataswa. So horizontal line, they're down, Galang, Tasa Jure. The parallel angles form Chigdua, angle knee form Chigda. Ching Yata form Jeswa. Those days were near Yata angle form Chigda. Ching Mati horizontal line the parallel yes form Chig. So there are 2 angles. So so let's see. Tang this year that. Ding on the horizontal layer, horizontal to meet the park to draw you the horizontal row. The casing a dukes your horizontal line did it. Ni dux ya lo dux ta wen ban horizontal line dirwa. Chesa yage ta se gi line de la line of sight is. So line of sight de da horizontal line jwa. Chik dinesh is. Yang ye horizontal dux yo wa. Dening ye mage la ro thep dux ta wen ban nge thep ta se jwa de la line of sight le wa. The horizontal line dirwa. So horizontal line there yang digi the line of sight para chasa. Chesa yang ma chik de together. Chesa di ya ma angle te angle ni de la minjur. Chikla ngam angle of elevation ya ta yur. Ma tan ching wa ban angle of depression is. So this is ni shur ya. Angle of elevation. Sumadela angle of depression. That career do that is never that. So ngek da do spray much ti wen na do much wa sha. Wa ta ngek ke singe dini ta ge na ngek mi tere da ngek mi dini ta da. Ngek mi dini ta da nga de de. Ngek mi de na mi de gi an ma do di kha di na ka de di. Di ngan to ground in bai na. Ngek hai ki sei wa ngek mi dini ta. Mi ta se ka tu shera di horizontal na khare parallel to the ground wa. So the horizontal de da nge ta sa de ye ta re ge de ta de angle chiro the angle de na sa le angle of elevation in a ground ta yos ground kha ta wa de wa sing dong la ta nam ju la ta chu la ta khar ta wa na the angle of elevation in a angle of elevation su nyam de shegu do no in bai na horizontal nyam chaw da de ji go sur ni wo de la ya ma mo chi la se de horizontal line ta ground de mar kissing a ground de na ground ma ni ta or da ta horizontal angle khase ko de some angle of depression angle of elevation no go say angle of elevation na hadini ya ta yo chila angle of elevation is in a angle of depression dir wa na ya ma je di thu da angle of depression di mare angle of depression ma ta yo de khar par law in pa na horizontal line de di horizontal angle point di horizontal line dir wa so the line de dan any line of sight di la line this the line of sight di ro line of sight the horizontal the line of sight ki para la ani angle form che uni the ning da shor so the mare ngi angle of depression and horizontal the line of the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal if you are looking upwards then which we call as the angle of elevation, and if you are going to watch the downwards, which we call as the angle of depression. So these are the three most terms we're using in the application. The application of la 6 de hatu tadi introduction introduction la line of sight la angle of elevation and angle of depression 다 신으로 application di nang la catching bu niwa de khare law in pa na ta ngam ki pesha na if you are going to find the height of the building law cha ta ne ka cheshu na height of the building laga to go so ngam ki thende di concept di nang da concept di nang la building chi go wa di khatu na wa ani ya di khar gorda 90 units course building the khatu na consider khaju na 90 units building the building in the engineer there are 90 forms of gor ma to the building the those smell just to skill there in the thinking on to ani asa ta pas passe to mares ta building se abone singdong se no ko kar gor na engineer sing on to 90 units lang on to considering chigores so this ta chena on to thinking remote in ma ta nge iro ta inch dang power pon che ta nge chik lakpa ki swin pa chik tyon sing da ka she ro पेशा ना तंग आंसू ठंडे रिमोट खाना ना दिनेश ना आंसू रिमोट देवा सही बात है अन खतु ने खसा आंसू की इंट्रोडक्शन ना आंसू खाना ना the every triangle is a right angle triangle so suppose say this is an angle right angle दे रहता the right angle in पे ना तंग आंसू angle शंबर शोर दे चिक दे ता कैसा आंसू इंट्रोडक्शन ना लाओ angle नी दी ना खाऊं स्टे ना लाओ तंग आंसू हर पे तो लाओ इन पे we are going to find the height of this the height is in पे ना given character some no engine dewa che boy character given character dini samno ta pesha shana ro nga digal devda nga de nga building che tu mare mama de dewi yang che tu mare happy tennis character ine at least nge character dure dine de bodungi measurement tape 돈에 띵이 제 두로 디 distance 제 두로 당에 디 angle 하고 디 angle 메시지 해로 디 angle 제 and 디 distance 하고 그 손자 당도 가라 하고도 나오 임바나 오 나 베이스 하고도 나 height 하고도 가서 디 제고도 제는 나 height 다 베이스 기 파라라 아니 뭐 trigonometric ratio 나네 p 다 b 기 relation 수유적이 오 tension 당에 tension 되지다네 아니 이제 두서 just 계산은 trigonometric introduction 장어도 책받치겠다 디나라 펜 도구를 해라 for example say guessing as example 지나는다 등에 다른 시행이다 dig height 제로 이나 dig 링동 제어데 라 독세요 인바이나 다 대인나 신다 독세다 독세요 인바이나 we are going to find this edge edge 제호다 인바이나 가서 디 메시지가 주스게 10 meter 라데 10 meter 다 내가 가서 가려 나오면 인바이나 angle 예지가 주 angle 30 라고 샤샤 suppose it's a 30 다 가르쳐는 find the relation between the h and b so which trigonometric identity gives the relation between the p and b so the p means tangent of theta tangent theta is p by b so tangent theta is 30 so tangent is 30 tangent of 30 degree b is 하고 말해 h height h b is 하고 그래 simple 다시는 것도 같이도 나오면 dig value 세요 dig value 가지고는 딱 계산한 tangent 기 value 상마 장에 봐 trigonometry 가지고디 가 장에 봐 어디 나오네 아니 tangent 30 가지고 1 by root of 3 봐 so 1 by root of 3 d10 dia multiply 따라 into 10 다 which is equal to h 다 h 되는 줄 so therefore h which is equal to 파만다 완전히 준적 구배나 rationalization 장에 봐 계시 root 3 좋아요 요 인바이나 we can cancel cut down to 와 간단 식으로 와 1 by 3 인바이나 root of 3 into root of 3 divided by root of 3 this 이거야 so root 3 into 3 which is equal to root 3 by 3 so this is down draw in the 가르쳤으면 10 root of 3 divided by 3 meter root 3 thing 안두기 가서 디 value relation 아지로 root 3 기 value 칼라나 1.732 and total 가르나다 온딜레 바나 so this is how you are going to find the height of the building or height of the tree so remote 디 돈에 안도는 추구도 와야 디 돈에 레야스 직제 다음은 remote 디 레셔를 디 돈랑아 되기 디 제랑아 example 파티긴 building ni yordas and building ni yore and nijar ra point 라 툭 there is 아니 big building the height in the jet that the remote way in remote ni na 가르치고 돌아오는 캐시 쇼데 now building ni ring 직 바레스 라 building ni ring 직 바레스 저는 building 되게 링제 디지라 디 링제 대함스레 샤스 야나 total detail 딱고 가르쳐 말을 해요 딱 디나 내가 추추 가더나 building ni height 찍어도 와 띵어도 common 내가 삼었다 가르쳐도 제교대 당 height 기파라 comparison 딱 triangle D 돌아 compare triangle D 돌아 compare and 디니 중원 주기 comparison 때문에 딱 D 돌아게 당게 제래요 example 파티션으로 디직제 다 리모트 인데 디도 다 쓰야돼 리모트 인데 다시 디네 리모트 알레 시그라데 리모트 인데 요데 가르는 building 지 race and building 되네 미 observer so building 가라 미 observer 되기 이나다 모터 대리식 때문에 파게 모터 더 디니 observe 기 탱이 observe here from here he observed at this point and another same observer changes his or her observation 저를 가는 될려들 대긴 데이터를 다 데이터 약 컨디션 데이터를 so 딘데 리모트 인다 뭐 데이터와 possibility 다니시 디네요데 building ring 보죠 레스 야 파절라 building 테스트 통하죠 레스 다 내가 가도라나 디니 링도 찍고 왔다 디그 링도다 디그 링도 찍고 와 디니 찍고 차도 다 개와 가도라나 아니 디 개발도 와 so the information 가르쳐 와는 information 가르쳐 일라는 the angle detail now this angle which we call as the angle of elevation draw the angle of elevation dirwa so the angle te we ban was the te to the gana the tombaina and was building chemu degree jirai to dana singe base era ta khare ban was the to ne kan the remove possibility din right wa ya din ra de remove building chechung logas chik building chimbo jores ringbo jores chik tundu jores ani building chimbo dini tungwa di base la tukyo chik che building chungwa dine building ring ki base la tukyo duksir mo dina tungulwa raw information ta correct na base ki kharere lalo soballe sigre danashin building chungwa ki ring je khazure lalo lepsure building che di ring je khazure 다 딘수사마 갈라는 얘기 리모 로고 지뜨에 리모 딘다 고 집어 파다니 리모지 수뜨에 요로와 소 딘제기 아니 아까서 집어 담아다드나 레시그레레 나 집어 컨트롤레와 임바네 집어 라이크나 덴데데다 마운치오 장서 받으나 then most of the students application comes they give up application 레와다나 소고도 give up 징에 마음으로 데 말이 application 봐 약보려데 리모 수도 Remote software din na 50% kran din na asa lesar hone chena so din bos nota di khago sawni ne yo marta di kran su gerwa ta tiwa din pa lo yak pochina pa ti zi gyap cheda ten di kran le lo shede an gaje shi ni shi kran la girda samsha so di tani de timo wa che kes na din na example shi ji da sing te chen ba te din na lo jang go ne ga shi shu khan na line of sight and khardo this is called a line of sight angle of elevation and khardo ya ta some angle of elevation in an angle of elevation the sui para line of sight da horizontal da horizontal la ko de horizontal le down so horizontal da line of sight ki para samajh sare ठीक है ta tina ne ke cheshu da ke chu ne cheshu ka to na always if they are parallel what will happen? Did the parallel mathematics and this angle is always equal to this angle. Why? Wala jamda chinchula di jamda. This is transversal. Then what about this two? Alternate angles. If the lines are parallel, the alternate angles are equal. If it is so, apply here. They apply chita. The line di parallel. So that means angle of elevation is always equal to the angle of depression. Angle ni katun chikpare. Khachen to na the angle chidwa the angle ni the alternate angles wa. Khaisna the parallel. The horizontal. Horizontal ni the parallel. So the parallel impa this angle, the angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. Katun chikpare. Sometimes the angle we don't need this angle. In a question they are saying the angle of depression is 13 and 10. This is not given. Angle of depression is 30. The angle we don't need this. Digi want to cancel buksu way banana, sipari cancel to cancel the height casual low in bana, and Nantula sometimes simpana, the angle on a pair to marry. Young these are long process, these are the nation did say shoot over. Caripedon did a dini parallel, the detail you do the shooting lana, dictating. So that on the angle data in a vicinity, the deal Korean later did say this should have come in a couple of angle of depression 30 and of psychotic 30. Because the angle of depression is always equal to the angle of elevation. The concept depends on what is some standard. Just take correct the basic concept application the basic thing. Now next, right after this, I'm going to take two examples on this application. Okay, so I'm taking this as one example. The first example is this. The second example is here. Right? The example ni dilatane ani phalche krang da tiwa khala kansam pata tan dinani tendi krang tikasure lamsa ne gyatugre. So the first example here is the height of the two building is same. Height ni chikpare imba ni height gazardo. We are going to find the height of this. So height of building jura think as ha meona ta remote jura ti remote thamba as remote looks part thi darwa remote chin join remote khana shing dulana those pache those city kuni height chi ba reshas ni ja how to dulana point chi ga tu re la gang ne tangin di data ore di tangin dia data. And two of these angles are given. So the pa never yo so sang calling a 60 degree do che and the ngai 30 do che you tell this. So the ngai A B do che C D E do che cha ning da sha. Ta kharcha do na the giving you the kharcha do na distance between this two building is 80 meter. Ko kansa da 80 ratios the need the 80 meter ratios. So this the whole distance in between these two buildings is 80. The given detail, now we are going to find the height of the building. So let's say that let the height of the building being h meter. So the h in the h hypotenuse long height like that. So the h in teach. So the building is the building height is and the given height 80 meter BC which is equal to 80 meters. Represent, let's say x Puguni la como gayonas, chick x in a shabat karshin and gani shabat get henwa 100 minus x and a mishabat get rero. Concept question Piltara, casing a dx yana in case they say let BC be x meter machacha. BC the x in by na, that the kashi 80 minus extra 80 minus extra. So now we are going to comparing. Correct information correct information triangle and this is 90. This is also 90. Now take A B C in triangle or either say right triangle A B C la pa right triangle A B C la tan sing by nas and D down la na that is la machine tiwa kharate do kharate bu do and what is given bini par la also part and do le nan ba so they must on the AC ki distance of the pen to min do pa sha so khata kharatu la h ha bu do h ro and z bu do and ding on the h x and t. So comparing between these two and P, since this angle is given and this is your P. So P by B in relation to C is tangent. So find out here tangent. So tangent of theta is 30. P by B. And what is P? H. That's the parallel. And tangent 30 11 1 by root of 3. 1 by root of 3. 1 by root of 3 share. And then also consider to low in by x raw. That is calculation the Karchana Kawaki. So they must also do C, P thing and Sugi, H must H large T, B thing also consider an x raw. X and say, the power multiply and H value and put a Kawaki game into the war. This should I want to Karshidu. Don't do an X ever your sons are, H ever your sons are, anyone to give H never was never course. H never course. Because H locked down your marwa, so that thing a chick do shana, one thing is possible in a there under shana and the lench. So, second, I'm taking this say triangle in a right triangle CDE or CDE, EGC, that means CDE the right angle triangle, right angle triangle, so that P by B. How to do that? P and tangent of 60 degree. P by P. P means H. B lana 80 minus X. And this tangent of 60, that is our table of root 3. So root of 3 and the power multiply degree, yeah, shana degree, because the data when H. So H the H common unit don't down jury, yeah, H lanja sha. X value to the so the thing is passing the raw. DJ D attention the 80 minus equal to H raw. That's Dinala h di turn so dinala di jo in bana so dinala unknown card x to dinala x itself x ki value with sabla di jo in bana value ta ta dinge te so yu yin ro this so yu yan shin bana x ya tang x which is equal to d ya pa tang shin bana h root of 3 ro so dinge equation 1 to show in bana then the equation 2 ro ta dinala ya equation 1 to 2 da x sabla Dostanda doa, dich doa, dinar chuda, the x ki value rasa soa, x ki value nga de chuginda, x ki value ste, x value de chugna, and x rasa machine. So x the kao do, de doa, so x sabla nga kare de chugenda. So root of 3, 80 che, that the nge dogs pa chisha ra, gali bracket in and negative doa, dik des kya was used. So pagachu and negative che, bracket chi, x sabla harto na h root of 3 ra. Equal to h. That is Pajati Sudara say to us. That is my bracket Katamba. Tipa Katam Chimbanadi Mandula the 80 root of 3 ra. So 80 root of 3 che. Then bracket Pakachin Chenetic Mandula Tangra. Take their Mandula root 3 into root 3 and 3 ra. So negative 3h. Negative 3h equal to h. Also say they negative tan negative ache ro d ki namking on the bracket la tang yo this 3 to chimbana x minus 1 na d ki dela tang ro so de tang di 3x tang re d de tang di 3 tang ro chi nya ra de d ki de tang re ji ra re d ki de tang re ji ra cuz root 3 into root 3 and 3 ro and 3h out that is simplification di patan da ro 80 root of 3 di patan chimbana positive so positive and 3 garji to na 4h 4 ki mata 4 ones are 4 4 2 20 root of 3 equal to h the root 3 ki value is 1.37 so therefore h which is equal to 20 into the value 1.73 to standard 3 2 dot karena do so which is equal to 2 3s are 6 share 2 cents are 14 1 4 share 2 ones are 2 3 share then on to 0 so which is equal to 34.6 meters. That is height the height of this building is 34.6 meter. The next issue is how to low in the triangle dam. Triangle dam is the sweep para. Ratio should the ratio the sweep para do. Carry some down to low in given carrier do and carry do. So this is my first example. Now let's see for the second example. Example new in that. So example new the angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point on the ground. From the point on the ground. What a point here is. Point in it was so from the ground in number of towers, then in number of Mudini. Mudini to and Kashi below in Bana on the ground, degree 60 towers. After a flight of 15 seconds, Tamutasar knew that Yang Edus Pata second journey jail. The angle of elevation changes to 30 degree apart over is. Now if the plane is flying at the constant height low in Pena and cheek not to devo. That patient negate much looks like you in Pena. Tamoma ground the ground is thinning a count down and a number toria. Those are number the ground and the ground. So number tower was in degree the cathedral in a degree the 60 degree layout. And they triangle their chasa. New Telara didn't picture there. Cathedral low in Pena 15 second period. So deeper than a 15 second chasha. Those chasa. Think a 15 second period. So the native was a 15 second charge. In a charge of Susra, any angle the geotheories. Angle 13, 60, 30 degrees. So then those are 30 degree. Those are deep angle for the deep 30 shine. Just those Matani the angle of elevation in yard to angle of yata or yata or ya. and angle of elevation is 60 degrees. And after a flight of 15 seconds, they need to go the second 15 seconds. 15 seconds. They need to go the 15 seconds. This is constant high taking constant the constant in the same height. So this is height each. If the plane is flying with the constant height of the height is given, height has to 1,500 root of 3 meter. Height find the speed of the plane. Plane the speed the that's how speed formula speed distance by time. Yeah, the distance is sometimes time 15 seconds. 15 seconds after. The case you got D speed D distance. So distance and so this and distance by time. Time is 15 so they have given current given some T given one. Case should be given T given the Kalasam what to do. That's sometimes the triangle nears. The first triangle meaning that A, B, C that there are triangle chick things. So first D comes on to degree 60 degrees. New the do triangle chick do there 90 round. So 90 chick didn't tell us 90 chick triangle need to compare the rushing to the rock to the now let's see here. So for the calculation. That calculation part by the triangle chick how to do that given part how to do that. In triangle in a right triangle A B C A B C drawing by right triangle A. Height of the day. Height is given this half home this think of the joke here triangle in a pen to sharp. Did the other didn't so half boy and the half with the descending. So let's an A B rancher. So B down B para B and the tension material. So tension of theta is 60 tension 60 which is equal to P by B. The P and a height P has a half over 1,500 root of 3 B and a half over A B rancher. And this value was half over root 3 so root 3 mata A B rancher. A B which is equal to 1,500 root of 3 divided by root of 3. There. Root of 3 kata. A big value how was A big value 1,500 meter are there. A B and there. This distance how was also. That the Ganza Habona Ganza name the can that it has the efficiency. As a well. Okay, that is Taran Chinara. New day. I want to do that as well. Then I'll consider 1,500 meter. Now taking the another triangle A, say let's say P and Q. APQ. In a right triangle APQ. APQ again the same distance here. Angle is 30. Theta this is unknown. So tangent, that is tangent here, the tangent is 30. Tangent 30, which is equal to P. So P is 1,500 root of 3. B is AB plus BP. This plus this, right? But we know this 1,500. So, and this value is root of 3. 1 by root of 3. AB okay, this 1,500 root of 3 divided by AB. The AB how goes from the computation and give AB value of 1,500. 1,500 into plus BP how BP how. BP that. So the cross multiply so 1,500 plus BP, which is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3. So 1500 into 3 charge. Okay, let's see here. That is 1500 part down to so then B and P charge equal to 3 5s are 15 1 5 3 1s are 3 4. This is 1500 part down. So BP, which is equal to that is what about 10 was 45,000 1,500 part 10 by now what is 3,000 also. Is it 3,000? Then it was 10 the subtraction is $3,000. So it means 3,000 meter. That is $3,000. That was one also. The 3,000 3,000 and this distance is also equal to the CQ, which is also equal to CQ. CQ what? That's CQ distance also. Now let's speed arrow. Speed is equal to distance by time, and distance is 3,000 divided by time is 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Count the meter. What the same is a meter per second. Count the distance meter now your what? The meter now your what? And this second, so meter per second. So the cut 15 times 2 15 to 30 so which is equal to 2 check 0 me. So 200 meter per second. So this is the speed of the train, of the plane. The plane any speed I think was 200 meter per second. So thinking example chunju da corona yan did to mambo gugu in by na. And the two other Google in any of the DJ yan to a mandar in the yang soon as I can answer the part and to the transfer practice. Ruchi. Last will just lay any tarani.